Hey guys, my name is John. I run Better Bathrooms Australia, which is a bathroom renovation company based here in Sydney, New South Wales. We reached out to Tradie Web Guys simply because we were tired of getting stuffed around with the other marketing agencies that we had worked with previously. There was quite a few. We actually found Matt and the team through a podcast, which is The Site Shed. That was great as well, so look into that if you like. Definitely recommend it. But basically, we came to them because we were sick of getting stuffed around. We'd give our hard-earned money, we pay for ads, we weren't getting returns. We did feel like we were always just thrown into a system, never really considered once you're in. Does that make sense? We spoke to Tradie Web Guys. From the initial point of contact, it was easy, it was clear. They set the expectation and they delivered it as well. So we had an existing business, but we were also trying to scale that. We just needed the right team. We came to the Tradie Web Guys because we needed help. We needed somebody or a company that, rather than just the external source that you pay for leads, we needed somebody or a team that can feel like they're part of our team. We're really comfortable with them. They constantly tell us to utilize their services more than what we do, which is great. But yeah, we're in a good spot. Since we started with the Tradie Web Guys, we've basically gone from, say, 2 bathroom renovations a month to anywhere between 6 and 8. We've been with them for close to 3 years now. We're just about to jump on and get another project manager and hoping with their help, the renovations go from 6 to 8 a month to 12 to 14 a month. So yeah, definitely growth there. If we're going to talk about our wins, it's not just the amount of bathrooms that we're kind of calculating. It's all the other stuff that comes with it. Now they've got a CRM system, the Tradie Hub, which we use, update quite regularly, just helps us keep track of where our customers are at with their journey throughout the process. Yep. That's really important. And just the growth that comes with putting in words. Definitely overall win for the business from our perspective. What has working with the Tradie Web Guys meant to us, or meant to me personally and the business? It's meant quite a lot. It's actually provided us with freedom. And I'll explain that because I know it sounds strange. My background's tiling, right? So when you're a tiler, you got all these dreams and plans when you're younger. And then you realize that it's so hard to actually achieve any of them because you're constantly chasing work, you're constantly doing all the work. All of a sudden now, we've got so many leads that have come through our pipeline and we're nurturing them and we're winning a lot of the jobs. I'm now off the tools completely. We've got a project manager running all of our jobs. We've got another one starting soon. I think I mentioned that previously. It allowed us to grow as a business. It's allowed me personally. I love learning. I'm always reading and listening to things. And I never had the chance to do all of that because it was just working. Right? So the business is almost taking care of itself. Now we still need to take care of the work for the business to do that. The business is also on cruise control. We know the leads are coming in. If we spend this much a month, we can comfortably run this many jobs per month and everything else kind of sorts itself out. So for me personally now, I've come back to things I want to do. So I want to work how I grow a business. How can I invest more in the business? What else can I learn? How can I better myself personally with other things? I'm working from home a lot more now. So all of a sudden I'm picking up the kids every day from school. So a bit of freedom. So yeah, look, it's meant a lot. I started with freedom and I think I'll finish it with freedom. Very appreciative. Big thanks.